It's another floor by Peninsula Floating Floors. Surprise, surprise. It's a Kronoswiss Aquastop 14mm in the moon. So it's a lovely little beach house in Rye. Taking the skirts off. Painters come tomorrow to give them a quick paint. We've reattached them. They just need light sand. Yeah, it was a bit of a tricky one because the yellow tongue had kind of sagged between the joists, so we packed it quite a bit with no packers, but it's come up really nice. Put some nice transition strips between the bedrooms and the hall. So have a quick look. So put a nice matching bead in front of the brick fireplace. Beaded the kitchen. It's really nice. Matching bead again. Waterproof bead. So you've got no worries there. In the cupboard, of course. Under the dishwasher. Yeah, it really goes well with every type of furniture, every colour. It's really nice. You know, you can accent your room with the furniture rather than having a dark grey floor or something like that. All undercut. No silicone anywhere. Nice aluminium trims between tile and floor. Same. It's nice, the carpet came up to about 15-16mm, so it worked well with the floor. All in all, nice little job. Beaded in the cupboard. It's difficult to get the skirts off sometimes, you can't get a hammer behind them. So it's only a cupboard. But yeah, it came out really nice. The kitchen was actually tiled from this point here. So ripped all the tiles up, and yeah, it's come out really nice. There you go, another Kronoswiss Aquastop moon, 72 hours, water resistant, pretty much waterproof. Water's going to evaporate in that time. It's always a winner, always looks beautiful, always a happy client. Thanks for watching. Smash a like on the video if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you like looking at floating floors. A little bit sad. Cheers.